And US President Donald Trump's White House launched a COVID-19 website on Friday in which it blamed the origins of the coronavirus on a lab leak in China while criticizing Democratic former President Joe Biden, former top US health official Anthony Fauci, and the World Health Organization. The website was also critical of steps like social distancing, mask mandates, and lockdowns. Trump began a 12-month process of withdrawing the US, by far the WHO's largest financial backer, from the agency when he took office in January. So White House has revamped the COVID-19 website, and now the Trump administration blames China for the COVID-19 origin. In fact, the COVID website promotes the lab leak theory. This lab was situated in China, is what the website claims. And the COVID website also criticizes the World Health Organization and former US President Joe Biden. So that's the breaking news that's coming in. US White House has revamped the COVID-19 website and is now blaming China for the COVID-19 origin. In fact, it also promotes the lab leak theory, in which it claims that the coronavirus was made at a lab in China. And the website also criticizes the approach by the World Health Organization and former US President Joe Biden. In fact, Fauci and Biden and WHO had no immediate comment to make on this, the claims that have been made by the COVID-19 website. So the White House has launched a COVID-19 website in which it has blamed the origins of the coronavirus on a lab leak in China. My colleague Rishabh is now joining us with more details on this. Rishabh, amid the tariff wars, is this a new front in the war, in the Cold War between US and China that has now taken the COVID narrative?
Well, there are two things here that we need to understand. This website is not something that has been launched now. It was always there. This very website, ironically, gave that how one should prevent themselves from COVID, what are the ways of vaccination, what are the centers of vaccination, and what are the preventive measures, and what are the post-COVID measures. So it was basically a know-how website about for someone who wants to understand COVID in the United States. But now Donald Trump, once he came back to power, has decided to change this whole website. And now this website says that COVID was a lab leak in Wuhan, and how Dr. Fauci and others of the Biden administration tried to cover it up for years. So in a way, while there is a raging tariff war between United States and China, with US imposing over 245% tariff on China, a similar tariff is being put on United States as well, and both the countries have been talking quite aggressively against each other. This definitely is a new geopolitical front that has been opened by United States, in a way, a clear pressure tactics. Be it China, be it WHO, none of them will like this move of Washington.
Right. Rishabh, also, has this lab leak theory been verified, and can the citizens actually trust the information that is available on the website of the White House on COVID? Well, with that, we're now shifting focus onto some other international stories. Thank you, Rishabh, for getting us all those details.